Hello everyone, this is your daily dose of internet. I don't think this marriage quite had everyone's blessing.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I'm
losing my job today.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. What?
These guys went skydiving when everything that could have gone wrong went wrong. This is one of the craziest close calls I've ever seen. They were flying their drone near this cliff when an owl decided it was their time.
Mona, you're up. No way!
His golf club was offering $50,000 to anyone who could make a hole-in-one.
Oh! Extend it! Get in the hole! Get in the hole! Get in the hole!
May not be joined in matrimony. You should declare it now.
I guess they have a playbook for bowling.
Rock on! 43 strike on 101.
Oh, see a penny, pick it up all day long, you'll have good luck. Hey? Pass it to a friend and your luck will never end. Oh shit! Ow!
I guess this really is a camera in a nutshell. These guys just go with the flow.
Why is our favourite thing about Uzbekistan the fact that the little green man that tells you when to cross the road runs faster and faster until it goes red?
These are the creakiest stairs ever.
I got all this. I'm not joking, it's like suctioning me in. Look, I'm really scared. I'm really scared.
Get out of here.
Do you want me to call the fire brigade?
No. That's so embarrassing.
She's got herself in a swing.
Yeah, so this is
on the front of the house.
This is one of the most insane zoom-ins I've ever seen.
Y'all, look at this. Look. How did they get it to not spill? It's open.
It is open.
It's open. I mean, it sucks to have to be the one to clean this up, but I'm just wondering how they did it.
This kid was walking home from school during a heat wave when he came across the stranger's pool.
Jim, mate, where are ya? Jim! Where's he gone? Where's he up to?
They managed to record this massive dust storm that was rolling into town. She woke up from surgery and couldn't remember who her boyfriend was.
You look a little weird, but you're cute. You're fine looking.
I like it. It suits you well.
I like you.
I'm gonna blow your mind right now. You wanna know how?
That cute guy's kissing me.
This guy was in Costa Rica when he ran into this snake mimic caterpillar.
This is a snake mimic caterpillar, and it's about fully grown. We're gonna try to get it and see if we can get it to perform for us. There that guy is. Look at that.
He's mastered the art of speaking backwards.
Papa likes to barbecue.
We need bra with y'all up. Papa likes to barbecue.
Their 4th of July party was interrupted by this sudden storm.
What the heck? What is that? That's a comet. At least I think it's a comet.
Seeing this from the window of the airplane would be absolutely heartbreaking.
没事，放手，放下去，放下去，不要跑，不要跑，不要跑，不要跑！哎，Поехали. И давай. Я бегу за тобой. Давай, 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 давай.
During an alligator's mating season, they make these noises to attract potential mates. This proves that the signs are there for a reason.
Daddy, why is your pants so high? Lift up your shirt. Let me see your pants.
She asked the waitress to take her friend's plate before she was finished. I think he's been practicing this. Does anyone know why his shadow's glitching?
Ошибку в real life. Как это? Пофиксите, разработчики, пофиксите, пожалуйста. Что-то не так.
Look at my socks, they're purple. Yours too?
I wonder what he's trying to tell us. Is this the final boss of lawnmowers? No winch, no problem.
We have a safety brake going on. Look at this. Fell out of the curtain wall right here. Go ahead. Oh, whoa!
He came up with a super cool way to see underwater.
Alright, here we go.
I think he wanted an early dinner.
You're not having your dinner now. It's too early. I'm not going out there with you, Mika. It's too early. See what you did?
You can see the exact moment when the regret kicked in.
Amy's latest amazing idea was spending 7,000 dirham to get the garden fully cat-proofed, and honestly, it's worked an absolute treat.
These white lines in the sky are actually snow geese during their migration season. I guess this guy's a rule breaker.
Y'all, I went to the doctor and my feet was hurt real bad, bro. They said I had chicken pox.
This wheelchair user was having trouble crossing the road, so a friendly neighborhood superhero came to their rescue.
Oh, he punched him. They're fighting. They're about to fight. Oh my god.
I found this old clip from over 10 years ago of a guy pulling a car while doing a handstand.
Yo, just taking this dog out for a walk this morning and check this. That's not what I wanted you to check. I was hoping I'd go over there and break the ice, but that's still pretty sick.
So I made it even simpler for you guys to submit your videos to be featured on the channel. The submission link is in the description. That is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very soon. Later.